Hey guys, welcome to My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related issues. Today we are back with another video, and in today's video we'll guide you throughout from downloading the Zoom client meeting app to creating an account in your Windows 10 operating system. We got you all covered. The Zoom app for laptop is getting famous day by day in the modern world, and this application is based on the Android application and iOS. Before we dive into the process, please check if your internet connection is stable. Now let's head straight into the video. Firstly, to download the Zoom app for a desktop computer, open your favorite browser and then search for Zoom or Zoom Download in the search bar. The first link that will appear is from zoom.us. Click on this link. You can also find the link in the description of this video. Now scroll down and you can see that Zoom's official website will provide you with a bunch of different options. Since we are here for the download, let's just go to the first option and click on the download button. A .exe file will start downloading. Once this executable file is downloaded, we have to just click on it. The Zoom installer is now initializing. Let's wait for a few seconds here. You will now see a Zoom window, and this is all that you need to know about installing Zoom on your PC. Now click on the Zoom app on your device and you will reach the Zoom homepage. Here you'll see a sign in button. Click on it. Now you will see two options here: sign in using other accounts or sign up for free. For now, let's go ahead and click on sign up for free to start creating your Zoom account. Go to the Zoom sign up page. You are first asked to enter your date of birth. That's because if you're younger than 16, you aren't really eligible to make a Zoom account unless it's for school. You'll next be presented with a few options for creating an account. At the top, you can enter your email in the box labeled your work email or personal email address. Or you can also create an account by clicking on the sign in with SSO, sign in with Google, or sign in with Facebook buttons on the right side here. I choose to write down my Gmail email address in the box given and click on sign up. Now you will have received an activation email to that address. So switch to your email inbox and then click on the activate account button in the email, or copy and paste the activation URL straight into your browser to activate your account. Let me go ahead and click on activate account here. So this is the page that opens up in your web browser. Now fill in your first and last name and a password. Don't forget to click on I'm not a robot. Well, because we aren't. You'll next be asked if you are signing up on behalf of a school. Assuming you aren't, click the no button and then click continue. After this, you're asked to invite other people to create a free Zoom account via email. You can skip this step if you want. Next, you will be given a link to your personal meeting URL. And you'll have the option to click on Start Meeting Now button to start a test meeting. Next to it is the Go to My Account button. Click on it and then you'll be taken to your account. Open the Zoom sign-in page in the Zoom app you just installed, and then enter the email and password you just used to sign up for Zoom in your browser. If you registered using the sign-in with Google, click on it and log into your Zoom account. And that's your Zoom Home tab right there. Now let's move forward to signing into Zoom with Facebook. Signing into Zoom using your Facebook account is quite easy. Just follow these steps and you're good to go. Firstly, open the Zoom app on your PC and then go to the sign-in page. Now click on the Sign in with Facebook button. You are then asked to log into your Facebook account in the browser. Enter your Facebook account's email and password, and then click on Login. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you will reach this page. Tap on the Zoom Meetings button here at the top of your screen. This will connect your Zoom to your Facebook account, and you'll be redirected to your Zoom Home tab. Okay guys, these are all that you need to know about downloading and creating a Zoom account. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below. I hope you guys found this video useful. If yes, please give a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click on the bell icon to get notified about our new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you all in the next one.